Like it's all... No! Heyo, what's going on, guys? Today we are going to be making chocolate chip / M&M cookies for you today. That is what we're going to be doing. We are following a recipe from online that I found, and let's just get started. Alright, so we preheated the oven, and the first thing we're going to do is combine flour, baking powder, and baking soda and salt in a separate bowl. I want to see, we're going to get a cup. While I'm doing the flour, Hannah, do you want to do the other ones and make sure that you have the measurements right? Make sure you know which one is which and how much you need.
1 teaspoon.
Right, okay. So we have the flour, the baking powder, that's the baking soda. Did you get all the measurements right?
Yeah.
That was a teaspoon of baking powder, this one.
And this was a half a teaspoon.
Beautiful, I'm just gonna make sure. And then salt. We need a 4th teaspoon of salt. So get the 4th teaspoon out. You need salt. Right, you wanna mix this? Light it out or do you want just use that one, that's perfect. Alright, so we used our flour, that's done. We use these two. Now, in this one, I'm gonna beat the butter and both sugars. So I'm gonna measure the sugars first. Half cup of sugar.
Oh, that's crystal.
Ooh! Right, lightly packed, make sure it's fresh and soft. This is not that soft, but it's fine. What?
2 sticks?
Well, you should have been looking. We need... What? Half cup. So look at what it says on there. And I am going to eat some of this brown sugar because I love brown sugar. Oh god. Oh, crap. No, oh, too much sugar. Put it in the sugar one, not the flour one, the sugar one. Beautiful. Excuse me. Hey, a little bit softer.
So good.
We have an issue.
Nice.
You know what? Screw it. I am gonna use...
We're starting over.
No.
Okay.
This drawer! The avarice never ends! The oven is done.
Not even close.
Bro, like, this is not melted. Really desperately trying to... Like it's all... Why did this go so bad? I'm just kidding. Ow. I'm just gonna use my little spatula here.
I think they would want more because
I'm
it
just
doesn't
gonna
say
use
melted
the-
butter. It's just.
Yeah. You're running out of time! Don't get any shells in it.
I'm scared.
Do you want me to do it?
I don't want it to be my mistake. I don't want it to be my mistake.
Oh my god! I mean, do I add the egg whites that are on the table? Maybe we should do another egg. Would you help me instead of just like laughing at me?
So sorry.
You know what it is? We decided to film this and that's why everything is going wrong.
We took too long.
I need to ready myself. And now we're just gonna put an egg in with just the egg whites because we got the yolk in. Yeah. Put on the lowest speed first. Yeah. Don't crank it up to like 6. Now we're looking a little bit. Doesn't that look like oatmeal? It looks like oatmeal. It's fine. Now we're on low speed. We're gonna add this. So, do you want to add it and then I stir? No! I don't know why I yelled. Cause like, for some reason in my head you were actually gonna do it. No! I don't know why I did that. What is happening? It smells so bad. actually doing something.
I wish I was a little bit tall.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I feel like I can taste the sugar. I feel like I'm just like chewing sugar. Right, okay. Last part, we're gonna gently stir in M&Ms and chocolate chips. There we go. We're using mini M&Ms because we don't have big ones, but we have these left over. So I'm gonna pour the whole bag. That's probably about good. Jeez, our batter is so stiff.
It's thick.
It's thick.
Double C.
Bring it to you. No, bring it. No. Hold. Just grab it like this. Grab it like this. And then do it. Is for the way you look at me. Is very, very extraordinary. Is even
V-E is even more
than
than
wait, I don't know the words.
anyone that you could adore.
Okay.
Oh,
E
is even
even more than anyone that you adore. No, I went wrong. And love
is all that I can give.
to you.
Love is
Love.
more than just, that's a small little
A
ball.
thing or two.
Two in love can make it. Take my heart, but
Please don't break it. Love is made for me and you. That's beautiful.
Eat balls. Drop the bass. We should just make a giant cookie on that cooking sheet. Like a giant.
Should we do it?
Let's do it. See how it turns out.
Let's totally do
Mini cookies and then a giant cookie with all the rest of the dough. Imagine if this was a baking show. We'd be disqualified. They'd be like, you broke a spatula.
You cracked your egg and had to use another one.
Don't even know how to soften butter.
All right, now our mega cookie. Ha ha ha. Ha ha.
Spread it a little bit. Oh!
I'm a little nervous that this is gonna take like hours to bake. What are you doing? Oh god, we have an issue.
Let's make a smiley face.
It's gonna.
It's gonna what?
Watching me. But I don't even know where to begin with this cookie. So I do 14 first.
Don't get close. Don't get close.
So we are gonna clean up a little bit and bake.
Bustle.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
And we are gonna bake that cookie, the mega cookie.
That's the only cookies you're making? They're recording. Right on set.
So we are gonna bake that cookie, and we will get back to you when it is done, and we will see how it turns out. So, catch you in a hot minute. Bye. Here they are. So it is a lot later in the day, but now we have our cookies. The big one actually turned out really, really well. Should we try one?
Yeah, let's go for
All
it.
right. Cheers.
Are you guys doing an outro? You're filming?
Okay, so because they're rock solid.
This is real. You really failed this one. They're good.
They're definitely good. Well, no, they're definitely good. They're just a little hard.
Well, what you can learn from today is we can't bake.
No,
don't trust us. You know, my dream was to be on the Great American Baking Show.
Yeah, but you can't be on the Great British one. Might
But-
be able to pass.
But, I mean, if I talk like this, but I don't
Probably
want to
pass.
fake it. But I wouldn't even be able to get on it anyway. Because I can't bake. I don't know how. And every time I try, it doesn't work out. So I've accepted it. Now, I just buy it from the store.
It's like a monologue.
Because every time I do something, I mess it up.
Like the butter
Yeah,
and the egg.
yeah. Well, no, the egg was your fault.
Well, you started it.
No, it was your fault. And your spatula.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in our next video. In my next, she probably won't be in it. In my next video.
I won't be there.
Well, we'll see. Okay, bye!